Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy, which is right here. Then we have to scroll and go to more security settings and localize encryption and credentials. So here at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for. So just tap on clear credentials and tap on clear. Your device not only will show you this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Be aware, because if you've got the screen lock set, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, but no worries, it's completely normal. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.